on. Where's Alan?
What the hell is going on?
Oh, Alan, where are you? I missed your videos.
Alan. Where's all the Alan videos? Where'd they all go? He just disappeared or what?
Alan, where are you?
Hey guys, I'm back. All is good. All is good. Just wanted to thank, first of all, I would like to thank Glenn B TV for becoming my 1,000th subscriber. So thank you, Glenn B TV, for subscribing. You're my 1,000th subscriber. Your link is below. But now on for Walking and Waiting. Walking and Waiting, we had over 30 comments, and counting those people sucked. That was the worst contest ever. So I'm glad to everybody who entered. Thank you for playing, and now the winner. The winner of the Walking and Waiting is, I haven't checked, but I had counted, when I counted from minute 0 to minute 9:59, I think it was, I counted over about 275 people in the video. You guys can go back and check if you want, but I counted 275 people, and the closest person to that was Garrett and Brandon. So Garrett and Brandon, congratulations, you win. So now that is why your link, so that's why from now on your link will be posted below in this video. So congratulations, Garrett and Brandon. Another thing I wanted to give a shout out to was Wingchunkangaroo. My friend Wingchunkangaroo, his link is in the sidebar, so check that out. He's doing the Wingchung Diaries, and that's a device that's used to focus on daily basis of losing weight and getting fit. Because right now he's overweight, but he's trying to get fit as he does this. So his whole diary is about him losing weight and things like that. So if you would please go and check him out. He's been making all these videos, and it'll be cool if you guys went and motivated him and pushed him to the max and helped him and enjoyed his videos. Because it'll be cool to see how a person used this technique called Wingchunk, and how it could be a different benefit for him, and how he can use it to become healthier. And besides, I personally never heard of Wingchunk, so it'll be cool to see other techniques used to be used for losing weight and having fun doing it. So go check him out. His link is in the sidebar, and that's about it. And I'm about to go and I have to walk a dog, so here's the rest of my day. Ooh, feeding time for the fish. Hi, Yanni.
Hello. It's cold as hell in Union Station. I forgot where we were.
Again, we just stay at Union Station, right?
Yeah, this is the best place to be.
And it's cold as shit.
It feels good. Oh, you guys want to see something nasty?
That's disgusting. Ew. Why it looks like it's like...
What happened?
Bleeding?
Your sky? No, the skin part.
Tell them what happened.
You see that? That is black.
Yeah.
Oh, tapalo because it's going to get infected.
Yeah.
No, don't say that.
It might get infected. I'm not a doctor. We have our myths.
Stop.
take a picture.
Okay, so we're doing accounting.
So we're here at Union Station doing our homework.
Trying to do our homework.
If you
Trying
guys know the answers to this,
accounting homework.
Chapter 3.
post it below. So we're back in the house and we're about to feed Fajita. Huh? And Gordita a treat. Look, she's ready already. She's like, what? Now she takes it and runs.
What are you doing?
She's ready to go back in. You wanna see? And Gordita is over here waiting to go back home.
Where's your treat?
You have to put it over the gate first. Cause she won't take it, man.
She's heavy. Look at her big eyes.
Look at those big old eyes.
She's like,
Just
yeah,
the
I'm
camera. So here we are. I'm about to celebrate our friend's birthday. It's gonna be good. We're gonna surprise her when she opens the door.
Cranberry juice.
Alan. No, decirlo bien. Alan, where are you?
Where are you?